to the latest episode of Sip Easy. Now, you very well know that investing in mutual funds via SIP is easy and can be rewarding. You also know that small regular investments in mutual funds today have the potential to become a large amount in the long term with the power of compounding. But did you know that apart from being convenient, SIP has much more to offer, like the feature called SIP Top-Up. This feature can help you reach your goals faster, is a smarter way to prevent inflation from eroding your capital away, and can take care of your improving lifestyle. With SIP Top-Up, you have an option to increase the SIP amount at predefined intervals. This could be linked to your future income growth or inflation rate. Now, there are two ways to offer SIP Top-Up. You can do so at the time of starting an SIP or at a later stage just by filling a simple form. The best part of SIP Top-Up is that it works on autopilot mode. That is, you don't need to start a new SIP or select new funds every time your SIP contribution increases. Say for example, if you have an SIP of 5,000 rupees per month and you have chosen to increase the SIP amount by 10% per year via SIP Top-Up facility, then your SIP in the next year will be 5,500 rupees per month and so on. This strategy may help you reach your goal faster. So just remember, Zindagi bhi SIP ki tarah hai. Small incremental steps now can make a big difference in the long term. So, when are you starting your Zindagi ke liye SIP? Click here to know more about SIP and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. An investor education and awareness initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.